Hello, my name is Shawn Peters, and welcome to the February 2025 Financial Bullet Points from Christian Financial Advisors. Our team of advisors prepared today's content on January 22nd, 2025. So let's get started. Bullet point number 1, President Trump's first days. In his inauguration speech, the president outlined several financial actions he would begin to take early on, including controlling government spending, in part through the Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, and increasing energy independence, in part through increased oil drilling, to combat inflation and bring down the prices of goods and services. Bullet point number 2, high market volatility. The election outcome, inflation speculation, and interest rate movement caused higher than normal volatility in the last 6 to 8 weeks. As of this writing, January has made up nearly all of the downturn that began in December. This shows investors should stay focused on time in the market with a well thought out long-term financial plan and not timing the market. Bullet point number 3, long-term interest rates. Since September 2024, the Fed has lowered the Fed funds rate by 1%. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury bond yield has increased from 3.65% to around 4.65% today, indicating a normalizing yield curve where long-term rates are higher than short-term. Long-term yields drive fixed rates on real estate mortgages and other long-term borrowing, which may affect the economy's growth. It also impacted the stock market at the end of the year. Bullet point number 4, housing real estate update. The house buying frenzy of the last few years appears to be over. Mortgage applications have dropped significantly since rates began increasing in mid-September. There is over a 12-month supply of housing inventory in some areas, and recent data shows an increase in housing starts, creating a lot of competition among sellers. Bullet point number 5, financial planning. January through April are some of the best months to update or start a financial plan from scratch. Do long-term tax planning and or update a family estate plan. For most people, the summer is too busy with family vacations, and in the fall, school activities, sports, and the holiday season get in the way of doing these very important tasks. Procrastination is by far the number one reason for financial failure. And finally, bullet point number 6, continuing education in scriptures. Episode 219, 10 Biblical Financial Principles, comes out February 11th. Episode 220, The Parable of the Talents, comes out February 25th. And our scripture this month is Deuteronomy 8:11. Be careful that you do not forget the Lord your God, failing to observe his commands, his laws, and his decrees that I am giving you this day. Thank you so much for tuning in, and God bless.